next program. The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. I would like to invite Abdullah Jaral to come on stage and say a few words about the personality grooming with the help of education.
Starting with the great name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Respected principal, honorable chief guest, and all respected guests, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic under discussion is about the development of personality through education. Personality development is the development of organized pattern of behavior and attitudes that makes a person distinctive. It occurs by the ongoing interaction of temperament, character, and environment. Today, education has played an important role in the development of modern society. Through education, people gain knowledge and skills, enabling them to become productive members of society. An educated person is more likely to enjoy a higher standard of living and quality of life than a person with minimum education. Personality development does not mean to enrich a person's outlook. Personality development is not achieving good grades. Personality development is not only one thing. In fact, it is a cluster of many things. It includes all the traits you have, including your strengths and weaknesses. And knowing them is just not sufficient. We need to accept them. If we are not ready to accept them, then we have to change them. Personality development is self-confidence. And self-confidence is the first and most important trait of personality development. Through education, we will become humble. Education creates awareness and expands our vision. We will become more aware about ourselves, about our society, and about everything that surrounds and affects our life. It helps us develop a disciplined life. And discipline is most essential for everything that you want to achieve in your life. Personality development means to be courteous. A person who desires a good personality is always courteous. He will be always helping others and will be very polite with everyone he meets. And that's what a good personality demands. And that's how you can develop a good personality. Thank you very much.